The Land Coast Experience.
We're a service contractor. Every day is something new. We're looking for ways to make things better and to bring that added value back to our clients.
A new era in industrial specialty contracting.
We bring state-of-the-art solutions to all our clients.
We want to be the best of the best, and that has carried through the years.
99% of all our sales are actually done on a personal call.
Land Coast is a unique company, more than a little different.
We look for ways to help the client versus help us.
We're determined to make sure our clients' needs are met. We're going to be number one worldwide. That's our vision of our company.
Land Coast is a flexible company with committed, dedicated owners who designed it to stay ahead of industry needs, making an impact in the way things are done every day.
We're gearing our company to where we feel the economy is going to go. The outlook is good. If they're going to have the growth, we're going to be there with them.
We have flexibilities in our communications to the client, in the services that we provide, in the workforce.
Every day, construction sites change, people change. We have to be able to change at a moment's notice.
Land Coast has diversified into industrial, marine, and commercial specialties, including insulation, coatings and painting, fireproofing and refractory, heat tracing systems, scaffolding, and other contracting areas.
We take a lot of pride in what we do, particularly in the field.
We look for the best of the best, and we're continuously trying to upgrade.
Technology does not change Land Coast. Land Coast changes technology.
When you look at how Land Coast stacks up against what we perceive as our competition, I feel like we're 5 years ahead of them.
We tried new techniques, new markets where we've got overseas experience, domestic experience.
Land Coast means professionalism, enthusiasm, and dedication to provide innovative solutions to the customers. Land Coast can work on a lump sum basis or with continuous maintenance, partnering, and alliance agreements for industrial projects anywhere.
You know, the biggest deal I feel is success is when people that actually work for the company are proud of who they work for.
If you ever have a question, you can talk directly to an owner.
Most of them have all of our extensions. They can deal with anybody in the company. Any of them can call any of us.
We have an open door policy. If a client's got a problem, I want him to call me, and we're going to take care of his problem. I still take a personal commitment on any project we have going on, whether it be the $100 job or the $10 million job.
Land Coast's top executive is Michael Morton. An expert in 3E Plus insulation appraisal, Michael has decades of experience with Land Coast.
Our customers' needs change every day, so therefore we have to change and adapt on a daily basis. I've started from the bottom, worked all the way up to the top. My father taught me this with Land Coast. Needs of our clients are first.
Some companies say experience is part of who they are. At Land Coast, experience is everything we are.
Our top management have all had at least some field experience.
There's not anything that we haven't seen.
Land Coast would represent a new era in specialty contracting by, number one, the experience and knowledge. The original founders are still active within the corporation.
There's a solution to everything we've ever looked at.
Will Land Coast do whatever it takes?
The biggest thing in our business is the trust, to where no matter what it takes, you're going to complete their job.
Land Coast will do whatever it takes. We strive for perfection.
We're a hands-on company. We know what's going on all the time.
Not just dependable and reliable. Land Coast is all about ideas.
People is what we're all about. Our delivery of the product that we have is through people.
We have the best supervision that's out there.
Everybody's worked in this industry for many years.
Land Coast is a can-do company, and doing business with Land Coast means putting their expertise to work for you, an advantage you can't afford to pass up.
Training is a big issue with our company. We demand of our people that they learn the Land Coast way.
Land Coast is doing some things no one else does, and is always looking for the next wave in specialty contracting. Some of Land Coast's projects include seagoing vessels, petrochemical industries, oil and gas production platforms, drilling and workover rigs, carbon black facilities, gas processing plants, cryogenic facilities, chemical and power plants, paper and sugar mills, nuclear